As of Monday, April 4th, 2022, in Grenada, the travel restrictions and protocols which were implemented during the COVID-19 pandemic have been repealed. Therefore, visitors are free to travel to and from the country without the need to test or be quarantined, vaccinated or not. The CDC lowered its travel warnings for Grenada, St. Lucia, and Belize to level 3, which still means high levels of COVID 19. The Tri-Island state revoked its state of emergency. Health Minister Honorable Nickolas Steele says the government is now shifting its focus to livelihoods, getting people back to work.
We do believe that the global situation, regional and local situation, allows us to make this adjustment, which is a basic removal of almost all, if not all, of our restrictions, etc., that exist, and shifting or swaying more to the balance of livelihoods.
Grenada's hospitalization numbers are low. The number of new infections is now averaging just one per day, two indicators that convinced authorities it was time to make changes.
With this ease of restrictions, the removed protocols, and the country's return to a level of normalcy, more visitors are expected to come to Grenada's shores. This, according to Chief Executive Officer of the Grenada Tourism Authority, is good for the country's tourism sector.
And that will boost the economy.
We're really happy. At the end of the day, tourism is the economic lifeline of this country, which represents approximately 40% of the GDP. So you can imagine that the devastating impact that it would have had. Ultimately, with the hotels open, with the restaurants open, transport open, people are going into supermarkets, employment is now on the upsurge. And we're really excited to have the restrictions lifted and for tourism to be on the resurgence.
While masks are now optional, Health Minister Steele recommends that people take measures to protect themselves. When probed about the Tourism Authority's plans to ensure people's safety, Roach says they will continue to promote safety and hygienic practices. Daniella, Hosten, CGTN, Grenada.